All right, gang, the next thing that's got to be done is we got to get the flash hider off. And you need a torque wrench because these babies are torqued on pretty good. So we get that on. Broke the torque. It's kind of like Holly Weirdo, guys. I pre-broke it just to show you, but you do need a torque wrench. So we're going to get this flash hider off. Or muzzle brake, whatever it is. I have no idea. Crush washer comes off. And it's crushed pretty good. Gas block, gas tube comes off. Now, we still have this baby on. So, what do? This I didn't pre-brake, but I don't think it's torqued on all that tight. Oh, wrong one. And maybe a word from our sponsor. Oh, it's loose. I didn't re-torque it on when I took it off last time, guys, but it's pretty easy. Here's your barrel nut. Loosen that up. Give it a wiggle. Barrel's off. Upper. There it is. Here's the gun. Just like that for easy packaging. And our next video, we're taking this baby apart too.